What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. We have two stories today, and they're both very similar because they're about the Samsung One UI update for phones that a lot of people have been waiting for. So first of all, let's talk about the Galaxy Note 9, because they're both Galaxy Note 9, but this one's first for Verizon. So if you're on Verizon and have the Galaxy Note 9, I know you've been waiting a very long time to get the Samsung One UI/Android Pie update. Well, it looks like it is rolling out right now. So if you have that phone and you're on Verizon, go into your settings, go into software updates, and check for the update, and you should have it. It's a fantastic update. The more I use it, especially on the Galaxy S10 Plus, the more I really like it. It's just I don't know, it's just enjoyable. I guess that would be the word. It's enjoyable, and it's easy to use. There's no clunk. It's fast. It's great. I love it. The other big news is for the Galaxy Note 9 unlocked version, it's also rolling out. I checked mine. Mine doesn't have the update, but I know some other people that have the update, that have gotten the update and have the unlocked version, and plus it's on the website that it's being rolled out. So if you have the Galaxy Note 9 unlocked version, check for the update. You probably, hopefully, might have it. I don't, like I said, but maybe you will. And if you don't, just keep checking every couple of hours just to see if the update's rolled out to you then and there. That way you can download it as soon as possible. It's an update that just makes the operating system slightly easier to use because they moved a lot of the functionality down on it. I think it's better looking. It's a little bit more, more fun, I'd say. More enjoyable, like I said earlier. It's a great update. Samsung really did a great job with this software update. It's good. It's a good mixture of Samsung software mixed with vanilla Android. It's just like, I don't know, it's a perfect mixture, because sometimes you feel like vanilla Android just isn't enough. This kind of adds the extra layers and customizable things in there as well. Plus you can use Good Luck 2019 on it, so why not? And if you haven't used Good Luck 2019, I do have a video on it which I will link down below to walk you through the whole process. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to new videos every single day. My question out to you is, what do you think of Samsung One UI? Do you like it? Is this something you would want to change? Anything on there? Let me know your comments down below. And if I look super tired, it's because I am. Woke up super early to drive my parents-in-law to the airport. And yeah, it's super early right now. Things like 5 a.m. or something like that. Something crazy. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace!